Just install the new Rheem 40 gallons natural gas water heater. Followed instructions and lit the pilot.it is on. Cannot turn the temperature control knob off of pilot. What's wrong?
Hi, I will be glad to help you. Work the temp control knob in and out. It has a little groove that it fits in to turn the burner on.
It barely moves any in and out. Wiggled for some time and it's still stuck.
I have never seen one defective, but there is a first for everything. If you cannot get it to turn, then I would suggest that you contact Rheem, because if you take it apart then you can void your warranty. But you should be able to work it up and down while turning it, and it should turn over to turn the burner on.
I don't know what you mean by work it up and down. It's a small quarter sizes plastic button/dial with a slot in it. It barely moves at all when pushed in. It does not turn in any direction.
You have got to turn the pilot button to the on position after you light the pilot and let up on the pilot button, then you turn the dial to the setting you need. The instructions will tell you hold down the pilot button and light the pilot and then let up on it and turn it to the on position, then set the thermostat.
It's at the pilot position, the pilot is lit. There is no on. The next place on the dial to the left is vacation, then low, then high. To the right of pilot is off. It does not turn in any direction. It's stuck in pilot.
Did you push the pilot button down to light?
You push the dial into light and flick the piezo button to light. It is lit.
Okay, stand by a second. I was checking. It sounds like you are doing it correctly. I would avoid taking anything apart and would contact Rheem first thing in the morning if you can't get it to turn. I have never heard of a thermostat that would not turn. Everything I am reading says once the pilot is lit and you have held for 1 minute, then you have to turn the pilot valve on the on position and then turn the big black dial.
It's not that kind of control box. Everything is on one tiny dial. The dial is a button that you push in, hold, then light the pilot. Once lit, you release the button and turn to temp setting. But I cannot turn the tiny dial. There is a blinking red light once the pilot's lit. Now after fiddling with it, the pilot went out.
Okay, relight the pilot. And try it again. I was trying to find specific instructions for that heater, but what I told you is what it is telling me. If you have followed the instructions and the dial will not turn, then you will need to contact Rheem, reference a warranty call.
It's lit again. Still nothing. This stink's been working 2 days replacing rotted flooring down to the joist due to old heater leaking. Everything installed beautifully and the last stupid button won't turn to heat my water.
Give me the model number of your heater, please.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.